So you're gonna drive around the helicopter?
Yes.
So we are going today to Norway and we're gonna fly past Sweden and then we are going from Norway to Scotland. So I put off the life jacket now because we're going to be crossing over the water to get over Sweden. It's a short hop, it's not very long, and we go over the island, which is a Danish island on the way. And the plan is to move the helicopter to Scotland because we are purchasing a hotel there. Hopefully the deal should go through, and then we want to use it for charters in the Scotland area. We're working on a British AOC at the moment, which should come through in a while, and then we will start using it over there for commercial work. So here's our route. So Camille, what do you think about Sweden?
It's quite nice. I like it.
So, Richie, tell us about the tour.
So we came today from Poland and we went to Bornholm, which is a little island of Denmark on the way. And then from there we are now in Sweden in this beautiful spot. As you can look, a hotel on the lake. We will be staying here tomorrow because the weather in Oslo is not that good as we planned. So we will then take off here the day after. And the plan is then to go to Oslo and then continue to Bergen. From there, we will then fly down to Scotland. Come, I show you the lake. It's amazing, eh?
It is.
So next, we are going to fly from Oslo to the fjords in Norway. And then there is a place called Trolltunga, which is very famous. And we will fly over it. And hopefully we get some nice pictures if the weather is good. So we can show our viewers that. Thank you for helping me.
No problems.
Yeah. So this is my friend from Sweden. His name is Robin.
Hello.
Just like the Robinson here. And he helped me load up all the luggage. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Beautiful hotel. You look after it very well, I see, yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks. We will be back again. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye.